Hey guys, it's Mike again at TV Parts Today. We're going to be removing the boards out of a Samsung UN50NU6900F. As always, if you have any questions or comments, just give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. Alright, so here we are with the back off of this TV. If any of you folks actually have this television at home, you would have noticed that it didn't have any screws on it. We do have another video on our website where Ben explains how to properly remove one of those. And also another thing to point out is this TV has the one board in it. It's an all-in-one kind of situation, which we do have another video on the channel explaining the different types of setups that you might have in your TV. But this one, it's going to be a pretty simple removal. We've just got these ribbon cables here. We've got this cord which connects to our speaker. We've got this cord here, and then these two little clips down here, and there are no screws holding this board into the unit. It's just going to be another one of those, lift it up over the little hump that's there, and then just slide it on out. So let's get into it first. Let's pop these up, shimmy it on out, pop it up with your fingernail, and pull that ribbon cable out. This guy here, we're just going to pinch it on its sides. And that should just kind of wiggle its way out of there. You might need to use two hands. There we go. It's pretty simple. And then now for the speaker cable, we're going to get this guy out of the way first. That way we can get the speaker itself out of the way. We're just going to pinch down at the top and pull it out. Now here, this whole kit and caboodle is kind of in the way. So let's peel back some of that tape. Yeah, there we go. And we're just going to lift up on this. There are two little blue plugs holding this into place. It's going to be very simple. You just lift those up. It comes just free. And then we have just these two little guys here, which the speaker was kind of in the way for. What we're going to do, pinch down on that guy and pull it on out. And then this one as well, pinch it and pull it on out. And then if you take a look, once you have all this removed, here's our little tab we want to get up over that hump. So let's grab a hold of the board and just shift it on out. And that whole schlemiel comes right on out of there. So there we have it, another pretty simple removal video. If you guys don't mind, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And always remember, if you do subscribe to our channel, your first order with us will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget,
you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.